Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn the names of 100 basic computer parts. Let's get started. Monitor, system unit, CPU, motherboard, RAM, ROM, hard disk drive, SSD solid state drive, power supply unit, CPU fan, heat sink, graphics card, sound card, network card, Wi-Fi card, Bluetooth adapter, CMOS battery, BIOS chip, chipset, computer case, keyboard, mouse, touchpad, web camera, microphone, speaker, headphone, printer, scanner, projector, USB flash drive, memory card, external hard drive, external SSD, DVD drive, CD drive, Blu-ray drive, floppy disk drive, USB hub, card reader, USB port, USB Type-C port, HDMI port, VGA port, DVI port, display port, Ethernet port, audio jack, power button, reset button, power cable, HDMI cable, VGA cable, Ethernet cable, SATA cable, SATA power cable, USB cable, DisplayPort cable, audio cable, power adapter, CPU socket, RAM slot, PCI slot, SATA port, CMOS jumper, front panel connector, fan header, power connector, expansion slot, case fan, cooling fan, liquid cooler, radiator, thermal paste, dust filter, side panel, front panel, drive bay, power switch, router, modem, switch, access point, UPS, surge protector, extension cord, monitor stand, mouse pad, laptop charger, laptop battery, laptop screen, laptop keyboard, laptop touchpad, laptop web camera, laptop speaker, laptop fan, laptop SSD, laptop RAM. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more computer learning videos.